Join me as I dive into the wild speculation of whether humans will actually evolve into something totally different in the next 1,000 years. The idea of human evolution over such a vast timescale is both fascinating and a bit unsettling. Humans have evolved significantly over millions of years, adapting to their environments, developing new tools, and changing physically. But what about over just 1,000 years? Could we see a similarly dramatic transformation, or will we remain largely the same? The concept of evolution is often associated with long periods of time, but significant changes can occur relatively quickly, especially when considering the rapid pace of technological advancements. Our world is changing fast, with technology, environment, and even our own biology being reshaped at an unprecedented rate. This raises intriguing questions about the future of humanity. Will we use technology to fundamentally alter our bodies and minds, or will natural selection continue to guide our evolution in response to environmental pressures? The uncertainty surrounding human evolution is vast. On one hand, technology is advancing at an incredible pace, offering possibilities for genetic engineering, brain-computer interfaces, and other enhancements that could fundamentally change what it means to be human. On the other hand, environmental factors such as climate change could exert new selective pressures on human populations. Genetic engineering, for instance, holds the potential to introduce significant changes to the human species. Scientists are already exploring ways to edit genes to eliminate diseases, but the line between treatment and enhancement is thin. Could we see a future where genetic modifications are not just used to cure diseases but to enhance human capabilities? Climate change is another factor that could drive human evolution. As environments change, humans may need to adapt to survive. This could lead to physical changes over generations, such as adaptations to sea level rise or extreme weather events. Cultural evolution also plays a critical role. As societies develop and technology advances, human behaviors and cultures change, influencing how we live and interact. This could lead to new forms of human organization and possibly even new forms of human consciousness. Theories abound, from the optimistic to the dystopian. Some envision a future where humans have merged with machines, achieving a form of immortality through digital existence. Others foresee a more traditional evolutionary path, with humans adapting to their environments in ways both subtle and profound. One compelling scenario is the possibility of a new human species emerging through advanced genetic engineering. Imagine a future where humans can choose not just to cure diseases but to fundamentally alter their physical and cognitive abilities. Another perspective is the merging of humans with artificial intelligence. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, there's speculation about the potential for a new form of human-AI hybrid. This could redefine what it means to be human, blurring the lines between biology and technology. The integration of technology into our bodies and minds could lead to new forms of human experience. Brain-computer interfaces, for example, could enable new forms of communication and cognition, potentially transforming how we interact with the world. However, these predictions are balanced by the reality that human evolution, whether driven by technology or natural selection, is a complex and uncertain process. The next 1,000 years could see humanity undergo transformations that are both exhilarating and unsettling. The possibilities are vast, and the future is inherently uncertain. What we do know is that humans have a remarkable capacity for adaptation and innovation. In the end, whether humans will evolve into something else in 1,000 years remains to be seen. What's certain is that the discussion around human evolution encourages us to think about our place in the world, our potential, and our future. The conversation around human evolution isn't just about speculation, it's also about understanding the factors that could drive change. By exploring these ideas, we can gain a deeper insight into what might lie ahead. Thinking about our future in this way invites us to consider not just where we're going, but who we might become. The possibilities are as exciting as they're uncertain. So, what do you think? Will humans evolve into something totally different in the next 1,000 years? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Check out my other videos for more on science and future predictions.